Do you want to know how you can summarize the YouTube video using ChatGPT? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can summarize a YouTube video using ChatGPT. First of all, what you need to do is open ChatGPT, log into your account, and go to YouTube and search for the video which you want to summarize. Now copy the text or the title of the video, paste it over here and write down by this person. So copy the name as well, paste it here, and what you need to do is write down a prompt that can you summarize this YouTube video, how to cook shrimp 3 different delicious way, easy shrimp recipes by Mr. Make It Happen. So this is the channel name, this is the title, and then you should also give the website. So after you do this, copy the website, keep it here, enter it. So you can see that it is not being able to process right now. So let's try with another video. Let's go ahead and search for the video of your choice. So go ahead and select a video of your choice. Let's go ahead and select this video and let's ask ChatGPT, can you summarize a YouTube video? So after you ask this question, you can see, could you please provide the title or topic of the YouTube video you'd like to summarize? So you can go ahead and select the title and write by and write down the channel name. So after you copy the channel name, and you can see you can copy the website, paste it here, and you can see that it can't access it. So all you can do is copy this, paste it here, and you can see that it will summarize the video or the content covered in the video. You can now copy this and you can use it for your own use. This is how you summarize a YouTube video using ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.